Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Alolan version of Vulpix. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left and let's draw the eye. Let's draw a curve up and over. Then for the end, let's curve it down. Now underneath, let's step up from the bottom and let's draw a curve across. And now inside, let's draw an oval. And that's it for the eye. Now let's move over to the left and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a curved line over on the left like this. Then underneath, let's draw a triangle shape for the nose. And then let's curve it back down. Next, inside on the bottom left, let's draw a curve around for the mouth. Next, let's hop up on the top right and let's draw the first ear. Let's start next to the eye on the right and let's draw a curve out and back around. And then a smaller one underneath. Then from the top curve, let's curve it out and over to the right. And then another curve back in underneath. Now on top, let's add another curve out and curve it back down to finish off the ear. Now underneath the ear, let's draw another curve in like this for the back side of the head. Now let's move up to the top and let's add the hair. Let's start next to the ear and let's draw a curve over. And then another larger one next to it above the eye. Now for the next curve, let's bring it over to the outside and let's loop it back around like this. And then on top, let's add a small curve. Now for the next section of hair, let's draw a curve up. Then let's start inside and let's draw a swirl around. A wavy line over and down. And then one more curve down to the ear to close it off. And lastly, for the head, let's add the other ear on the top left. Let's start with two curves up, coming to a point. And then inside, let's draw two curves down like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the left side of the head and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and then angle it in towards the bottom. Then about halfway down, let's draw a curve down and over to the right. And then let's draw another S-shaped curve down for the next leg. And again, let's hop over to the right and let's start a little bit lower and let's draw a curve down and out. Now let's close off the bottom of the feet by curving it out and around. And the same thing on the left. Now inside each foot, let's add two curves for the toes. And that's it for the first set of legs. Next, let's hop back up and let's continue drawing that body curve over to the right. Then for the end, let's step up and let's draw a curve down and angle it out. and then add one more curve above it. Next, let's hop back up to the head and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Then from the end of this line, let's curve it in and back out like this. Now let's draw 2 curves down and to the left from the bottom, and then a curve around to close off the foot. Now let's add the last leg behind. Let's start under the body and let's draw a small curve down, then 2 curves down and to the left, with the right line being a little bit longer. And then close off the foot again with the curve. And lastly, 2 curves inside each foot. And that's it for the body. Now let's add the tail. Let's start on top of the body and let's draw a small curve up. Then a bump next to it, another larger one up, and then one more. Now for the end, let's step down again and let's draw another small curve, and then bring it up into 2 larger bumps. Next, let's hop down to the bottom next to the leg and let's draw a wavy line out, and then a swirl next to it. Then for the next section, let's start back up at the top and let's draw a curve up and down. Then another wavy bump down, and then 2 more bumps down like this. Lastly, inside, starting from the body, let's draw 5 curves up like this. And that's it for Alolan Vulpix. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!